back to Winning Isn't Easy. Let's talk about getting a disability insurance claim form. Why don't you get out your disability policy and look at it? But provision says something like this. Under the heading of claim form, we'll send a claim form within 10 working days of receiving the notice of claim. If the claim form isn't received within 15 days after notice of the claim is sent to us, you, the owner, should write us a letter about the claim describing the cause and the extent of your loss in detail. All right, so let's break this down first. I will tell you that we are starting to see issues with filing or requesting short-term disability claim forms. We used to be able to download these or just write and ask for a copy of the claim form. Now, disability carriers want the policyholder on the line to take some basic information, and sometimes they go even further and try to take a statement. The way that this is set up doesn't allow us to be on the phone with our client, so we absolutely hate that. If you have to get on the phone with a short-term disability carrier to get the claim form, all I want you to give is your name, rank, and serial number. No more than that. If they want to talk with you and take a statement, you can tell them that you're represented and that we can arrange that at a later date. You just, in that phone call, want to do one thing, and that's to get the claim form. Now, let's talk about long-term disability claim forms for a minute. And it depends on the employer and the carrier. If you're on short-term disability and it's the same carrier who offers both a short and long-term disability, generally we'll see a rollover. In other words, we don't have to file a claim. But there are instances in which we do have to file a claim. Now, that's particularly true if your short-term disability claim is denied. We want to file a long-term disability claim and then see if they'll pay, and if not, file an appeal, and then if not, file a lawsuit. Because when we file a lawsuit, I want to sue them for both your short and long-term disability benefits. I don't want to cherry pick your claim, and I don't want to wait forever for us to get a decision or the payment of your benefits. So if I have a situation where the carrier refuses to give me the long-term disability claim, I say nuts to them. I will take an LTD claim form, a blank one from another case that we've had involving that carrier, and I will use that, or I'll use a generic one, and I will send it to them, certified mail, return receipt requested. And we'll follow up, of course, to make sure that they got both the short-term disability and long-term disability claim form requests. Now, let's break down another part of this standard insurance language. It says, we'll send you the form within 10 days. If they don't, I'm on the phone calling or yelling, or even actually on the phone with their defense attorney saying, where is it? Now, they say, look, if we don't send you the claims form, we want you to send us a love letter and tell us all about why you're disabled and the extent of your loss in detail. To me, that's like, that's an open-ended invitation to give you enough rope to trip yourself and really delay or destroy your claim. So I simply tell my clients, write them a letter that says, I'm Sam, I work for this corporation, I'm insured under a short-term disability plan or policy, I'm disabled as a result of an X condition, and my date of disability is blank. If you want further information, send me a letter. And I would send that certified mail return receipt requested, because I don't want the carrier to say, hey, we never got it. And unfortunately, in the day of problems with our post office, sending it certified mail return receipt requested at least documents that they got it. All right. So you can see that sometimes filing a claim form or asking to get the claims for it can be a battle in and of itself before we actually get to filing the actual form. So let's take a break for a moment. And when we come back, I'm going to talk generally about filing your proof of loss form. This is a minefield where lots of mistakes can be made. So I'll be back in a second.